Today we are making Bang Bang Salmon Bites. If you're not a fan of fish, this recipe just might change your mind. And the Bang Bang sauce, just look at it. Is it not beautiful? Alright, let's get cooking. Welcome to Gabby You Healthy Kitchen. Let's get cooking and make something delicious. First, let's start with the salmon. Let's remove the skin from the salmon for a clean fillet as best as you can. I tell you, this might be the hardest part in the whole cooking. Yep, I did struggle with it a little bit. But hey, there are many ways you can skin your fish, and this is the way I'm using. But I got it done. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just make sure you don't take too much flesh when you're doing this. And here you have it. I got as much skin as I could. We pat the salmon dry with a paper towel. This helps it to get that extra crispiness when you cook it. And then you cut it into bite-sized cubes. Now let's season the salmon. I'm using the garlic powder, smoked paprika, put some salt, and then I kind of mix it around, and then I will get my olive oil, because you want to put all this. It will give it a flavorful base. So you can use avocado oil or coconut oil. The choice is yours. So just mix it all up like that. Yes. Here we have it ready to be cooked. Well flavored. Now I am going to be frying the salmon using the air fryer that I already preheated to 400°F. You can use your oven, you can fry it on your stove, but I'm using an air fryer for this video. Then I air fry it for 15 minutes, shaking halfway through until kind of golden and crispy. While the salmon cooks, let's mix up the Bang Bang sauce. So if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Don't just watch and go. Show some love. Thank you. I appreciate you. In a bowl, add the dairy-free mayo, the sweet chili sauce, sriracha sauce, honey. Oops, I'm making a little mess here. And yep, put that honey in there. And some splash of lime juice. Well, actually I use lemon. I didn't have lime, so I use lemon for this video. And then just whisk all this together. Whisk, or mix. And that is it. Look at that. The amazing Bang Bang sauce is here. Lovely. All right, let's go back to our salmon. Yep, it looks like it's cooked. Looking kind of golden and crispy. Gonna transfer to this plate to prepare for coating. Now drizzle the salmon with the Bang Bang sauce. And then mix it up for the salmon to soak up the sauce for that maximum flavor. And then garnish with dry parsley leaves, and you are ready to serve. And there you have it, flavor-packed Bang Bang Salmon Bites. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Here I paired it up with quinoa, but you can pair it up with rice, vegetables, and so much more. Let me know what you did pair it up in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.